Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install VirtualBox Guest Additions on a Windows 11 device that's installed on VirtualBox. Now, this Windows 11 virtual machine is a new install. So this Windows 11 is a new virtual machine. I just installed this on VirtualBox, and some of the issues you could run into with the new install is to do with scaling. For instance, if I try to scale this window out, it's not scaling well. Another issue you could run into is copy and paste from the host machine. Now, to fix some of these issues, we can install the guest additions. To install the guest additions, just click on devices and then click on this insert guest addition CD image. Now, once we click on this, we should be able to open the file explorer here. Then go to this PC and you should see the CD drive here. So just click on this and then we'll need to run a program here. You scroll towards the bottom and you should see this application right here, VirtualBox Windows Additions. So you want to double click on this to install it. Click yes and then just go with next, install. So once it's done, we'll need to do a reboot now. So finish. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and log in here. Okay, I'm logged back in, and now let me see. And now let's try and extend this window out, and it's scaling. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install VirtualBox Guest Additions on a Windows 11 device running on VirtualBox. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.